Okay, let's open up the box, square, clear cover, and see what it looks like. Check it out. I know the box is a lot nicer than my box. And then we're going to look at how it works with my base. It works pretty good. So, hey, let's go check it out. Take it over here on the floor and sit down and look at it and check it out, okay? How's everybody doing? Spike, well, I'm sitting in the floor in the sim here. I've been cleaning and working, and the new cover come in, and I wanted to show you a couple of things about the new cover, okay? First of all, it's got really, really nice packaging. Okay, the box is real nice. I mean, just no doubt. I mean, this is the way they package thing up in this real fancy box. And I mean, look at this. And then it comes out and it's got this fancy foam in the box and all this. And there it is. And I've been using it for a couple of days. And what I figured out is there's one thing that I have a criticism about. Is this right here where you plugged in the cord for the charger? You have to unplug the cord to put the cover on it. Yeah. So you better put it on and leave it on is all I can tell you. Okay. So, but you have to unplug the cord and go through this hole to put it on there. You get this nice cardboard box with their branding on it. And you get the fancy box that's kind of like the box that you square come in. And then now when you get, that's the $59, I think it is. When you get one of these from me, it comes like this. So you get a bag with your bolts for your leveling and your little bubble level and this little clip that goes on the top right here to hold your little rod. And so it comes with all that, a little piece of paper here with my email address and stuff. And then it comes like this put together. When you get ready to use it, you just pop it open off the front edge like that, run your legs up in it. And this insert right here, I made this piece to add on that allows you to use the square cover on top of this base. I'll be sending them out with everything. So, but yeah, it just, little piece here pops in. You got it where your finger can grab it and pull it out. And then your square sits in and still keys in the back little edge right here where it always did. And then after it does, you can slide their cover right down on the whole thing like this. And so anyway, just wanted to make a point that they got really nice packaging. It should be, they got a hole where it should be a slot because I didn't want to have to unplug and plug this thing every time it's moved. I mean, pull the cord out, put the cover on. Ready. And here it say ready. And plug the cord back in. Now, that's down in my base and the cover is locked on. The holes are perfectly lined up here. And you can see it says ready. So it's ready to read. Watch here. Ready. See? Green light ready. Go to my T. Ready? Ready. Okay. Now, in the packages I send out, I normally send the short covers. These. That's what most people want. But those don't fit when you raise this thing up and put this cover on it. So you have to go back to the tall cover. So these are a little bit taller and made out of the same tough plastic. They got a slot here for the wire to go in, and I'm working on a way to make a better way to cut these slots and make them all uniform. I'm working on that now. Yeah, this is my cover, and there's the clip on the top that holds your little rod. Now, your rod can be used to reach down through the holes and mash the buttons, okay? Right now, I'm going to stick it up there out of the way. Now, watch. You see we got a reed, and we're going to put my cover over their cover. Green light, see, ready? 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 See? Ready? Okay. So it reads with my cover on top of that cover. So if this thing was to get hit, it's got my $20 cover that you can replace, then their cover inside, then your machine. Shouldn't get broke. And this has all got a base that levels it and holds it down. And you can add your laser on here Get a straight line, give you a line to go to. I got it set up. I got it on the machine. Let's do some shots just to see what happens, and maybe we'll play a little golf. But let's see, hit a few first, see what happens. Maybe check the reactions, make sure everything's working good. You know how it is. Got to make sure. I wouldn't sell it till I make sure. Okay, let's do that. So, okay, got that screen, got this, and got a read right now, so it should be ready. Let's just see what happens. What does that say? 45. Okay. There we go. 45. 45.1. I guess it's pretty close to the right distance. I pulled it a little bit, but that's me. Ready? There we go. 35. There's 35. Holy moly. I think I'll give it that. What do y'all think? We figured out it works. I mean, that's for sure. So we got it set up. We got it reading, and everything's on the go. We got inside, both covers on it. I think I like it. Let's turn on GS Pro and go play a little golf and see what it does, okay? Okay, guys, let's play Starlight Pines. This little par 3 pitch and putt, and see what we can do with it. See if we get any misreads or anything goes crazy while we're doing it. That's what we really want to know. Putts, reads, everything. I'm going to hit it with everything I got. It's loading up. The machine just dinked and let us know it was ready to play. And hey, let's just go play. Why not? 115 down 8. No, up 8. Okay. It worked. Then maybe I guess it does. 86 up 5. We use a sand wedge. It's got a nice green reed. Let's go with it. Ah, darn thing. It makes it not read right. Yeah, that's what we'll hear. Okay, let's use the chipper and see if we can get anything close here. Hey, my baby. 65 and down a hill. Let's go. Hey, baby. Ah, okay, we figured out that it works. And there's not one misread. Okay, do 65. Let's go. I told it 65, it done it. Man, this thing's accurate, you know? It is accurate. I guarantee you that. Played that full round, guys, and I've been just pounding the ball on this thing at it. Well, all right, that looks good. But yeah, one after another, and I shot like, well, a whole bunch of them, and I never did get a misread. I never had any problems. Everything just seemed to work, and that's what we want, you know, get it to work. 44 shots into this closest to the pin on the GS Pro, and no misreads. I've been kind of putting the test on it, but yeah. That's what I'm saying. It works pretty good, I guess. Guys, I got a new package together, one with a long, tall top and a short top. And it'll have the adapters in it, so if you want to get one of their covers, well, you can. And that'll be one package, and you can get it with just a long one if you want to, just a short one, or 2 short ones, or 2 long ones, or whatever. I got to figure out a way to get all that on the website. So got a lot to do with that, but I'll just get busy and get it done. Okay. FrugalFixerSpike.com is the website, and come by and check it out, and you've seen what they look like and what the parts look like. And yeah, I mean, it works, and it works with both, and yeah, it's good protection for the money. So $39 to have a leveling base, a place to put your laser, the level, all your leveling feet, and extra protection to cover it. Y'all take care. See you soon. Keep an eye on the website. It'll all be updated soon. We'll get it all for you, okay? See you later. Bye. Gotta go.